How to get best Shopee voucher promo codes. Want to save big on Shopee? Whether you're shopping for gadgets, fashion, or groceries, this video will show you how to grab the best voucher promo codes in 2025. Start with trusted coupon sites like iPrice.ph, Rappler Coupons, and vouchercodes.ph. This update daily with codes for up to 1,000 off, 20% site-wide discounts, and early flash deals. So open the Shopee app and tap the Me tab and then vouchers, and you'll find personalized deal. Check Shopee Live and flash sales for real-time limited vouchers, and use Shopee coins to redeem extra discounts at checkout. Follow Shopee on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They drop exclusive codes during campaigns like 10/10, 11/11, and 12/12. Also, turn on app notification and email alerts for early access. Stack vouchers with free shipping and cashbacks for max savings. Shop during midnight drops for the freshest deals and use multiple accounts for new user promos. Just don't abuse it. Now you're ready to shop smarter on Shopee, and that is how you can basically get the best Shopee voucher promo codes.